Hi, this is Natasha
And Jonathan
from Big Rock Organics. And we're out here freezing because we're trying to get some potatoes planted. So Jonathan had this great idea
to put lights on the tractor so we can do nighttime planting, something we've never done before, but we've never been this pressed by the weather.
So it's supposed to snow again tomorrow and rain for a week, and the soil is just not perfect, and life isn't perfect, so life goes on, and so does potato planting. So we're going to try to film this if we can. We've got very, very cool LED lights on the front and back of the tractor, and then off in the distance we've got a little beacon of light, a very ingenious invention. It's a safety cone with a flashlight inside of it, and that's our marking device. But it's actually really well lit, and we feel like big farmers out here. So come join us as you ride along with our potato planting. All right, let's fire up.
Let's go.
Okay. So inside we got our potatoes here, and we're gonna try to capture this on film the best we can. So there's our potatoes. These are fingerling potatoes, and they're gonna deposit into our planter right here. Okay, we're ready. Let's go. Okay, so this hopper is filled with little pieces of potatoes. Each potato piece has an eye on it, and each little eye is going to give us, here's one, a potato plant. Each potato plant is going to produce a dozen or so potatoes, and eventually we will harvest them in July. So these are the earliest thing to go into the garden, and we try to get them in early in spring as possible. And this is kind of starting to feel like Lucy and the chocolate shop here, as we're trying to make sure we get only a couple pieces of potatoes into each slot. Now underneath, it's planting them into the soil and hilling them. Hopefully stop that. And before long, we will have a beautiful row of potatoes. This potato planter is a vintage antique potato planter that we've had in our operation for quite some time, and every year it comes out, and it is the best tool in the world for planting potatoes. So thank you for joining me, and we look forward to featuring our potatoes in our CSA and also on the farm stand. So happy planting! Yay! We're getting into the field before freaking April snowstorms. Have a happy planting season.